This is my vlog for today.
I feed it to your snakes, Bobby.
No. Poor little guy.
I'm gonna be a rat, it's not birds.
Look over here. You can see its tongue. It looks
I
hella
know.
weird.
It's like ripped.
I know. Look, its tongue looks hella weird.
It's not ripped. That's not. No fur.
Oh, freak.
Let's just leave it alone for now. Okay, here you go.
Bro, go ahead.
To review on this.
Animal abuser 91.
Diego.
Kill it. Is that like paparazzi? Is that like see? Like,
I don't like get the camera off here.
so are we gonna go to the Nuba? It's almost.
I'm flashing to them. Oh, I should have seen. I was all flashing to them.
You're flashing them? I pulled it all the way over here so it won't. I don't die fast. A little bit longer.
Just throw them up.
No, dude, that's messed up.
And when we came, you like came.
That's pretty sad.
Because they wanted to see it.
Pretty messed up.
Throw it out, John.
Hey, pose his feather off.